Welcome back, folks. Today we have come over to Southampton to the new climbing hangar. Been to a couple of places before, never been to this one. It's freshly opened. We'll come along and check it out and see what it has to offer. Very welcoming. Right, let's check out what the devil's at the desk.
Right guys, let's go and have a little look. Well, that's nice. They've got a water fill up point. That's not bad. That's a heck of a board. Right, where to start? Let's start with something easy and work our way up. So above the door we've got the grey chart to work to. Let's have a little look around. Let's see what we're gonna climb.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right, and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you.
And today we're joined by Tommy. He's here to do the hard stuff.
Get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settle in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path, that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. By surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
Well, Tommy's already got himself some cake and coffee. Now it's our turn. Right, that's the climbing done. Now for the important part. Let's see what cakes they've got on offer and see what the coffee's like, shall we? Let's have a little look. Oh, we've got lots of choice. Sticky toffee, super granola. That's looking very tempting. Right. What are we going for then? Sticky toffee. Oh, sticky toffee, that's what...
Sticky toffee biscuit, that's what
Yeah,
Tommy's got.
that's what Tommy's got. So you got that.
Granola, lemon and blueberry day.
Or you can have a...
I'm not vegan.
How can you have vegan Hulsing duck? It's got duck in it.
No,
Oh, it's
no,
vegan.
no.
It ain't duck then, is it?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I'm not having a baked roll.
No. You got, well, you're either going to go the ultimate brownie, lemon and blueberry,
I'm going to have a biscoff.
or biscoff.
Biscoff.
Right, it's decided. 2 biscoffs.
2 Americanos.
Jordan, anything?
Jordan doesn't want anything.
Jordan don't want anything. Okay, well that makes it a bit cheaper. Right then. So. Well, that's the coffee and cakes ordered. Look at this. They've even got thought of putting a bike rack in so that people can bring their bikes in nice and safe. Got lots of locker space down the other end, which I think I showed you earlier. But really nice and open, as it were. And then we've got changing rooms for the men, changing rooms for the women. And then down the far end here, disabled toilet access. This place is huge. And obviously you've seen the climbing area, all the rental shoes, and then plenty of parking out the front. And then we've got a lovely, great big coffee area where you can sit down, chill out, play a game of pool, or just watch the people climb. Right, we're going to take a pew in the corner and wait for the coffee to come over. There we go, coffee and cakes arrived, time to tuck in. Just checking out some of their t-shirts they've got. These are pretty cool, I like these. Look at that. Long sleeved. Low gravity day. Awesome. Oh yeah. Right, and they've also got a good choice of shoes and chalk bags. Well, there we go, guys. That is our time over at the Climbing Hangar in Southampton come to a close. What a great centre. We really enjoyed our time here. The cake was really good. The coffee was spot on. And there's lots and lots of choice of climbing. If you are in the area, come over and check it out. I will put a link in the description below. If you've got any questions or comment about the centre, please put them below and we'll try and answer them for you. Obviously hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell to when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.